Welcome to Westboro Photonics' presentation on the light balancing of avionic panels. Aircraft cockpits have a lot of instrumentation and controls. At nighttime, the panels, buttons, and switches are mostly backlit, just like automotive dashboards. The luminance and chromaticity of these lit symbols and graphics need to be in conformance with the applicable standards such as SAE AS7788A. These avionic panels are machined out of clear plastic and then painted white. Within the panel, there are typically several lamps embedded. The lamp light bounces around inside the clear plastic volume of the panel and provides backlighting of the white panel face. Once the white painting or balancing is complete, the panel is oversprayed with black. Next, a laser marker blasts away the outer black paint layer in the precise areas where the graphics are wanted. The luminance uniformity of the graphics is determined by how well the panel was balanced before it was painted black. When lit, the uniformity issue is clear to see. The balancing task is to add white paint to the brighter areas, thereby dimming them, until the areas are properly backlit. This photograph shows the setup of our light panel balancing system. There's only three things in the test: an imaging photometer on the far right, a powered panel, and a PC running the panel balancing software. The imaging photometer is configured to image the panel at a distance of 1.2 meters, or a little over 4 feet, so there's plenty of room for the operator to perform the painting. The monitor and software is referenced by the operator to guide their painting work. Westboro Photonics offers 4 CMOS imaging photometers at up to 12.3 megapixels in resolution. The P230U imaging photometer is well suited for the balancing application. Every image of the P230U has an absolute luminance calibration applied to it, so the light is reported in terms of foot lamberts or candels per meter squared. Every image is also spatially corrected, so that all of the data values are accurate, even in the corners. USB 3 connection helps make the P230U easy to set up and maintain. And at only 300 grams, the P230U is easy to fixture. Let's start the demo of the balancing process now. First, the panel can be aligned in the preview mode. To help here, we've configured an alignment overlay for this particular panel. This overlay has corner markers to help orient the lit panel. There's also an inner border to indicate the region where the graphics will be. This is the region where the operator needs to concentrate their balancing efforts. Let's align the panel. When done, we can switch from preview mode to balancing mode. At this point, a real-time colorized view of the panel's luminance is displayed. The legend on the right shows the pseudo-color mapping scheme. Shades of green indicate acceptable luminance levels. Areas that are too bright are shaded with red, and areas that are too dim, blue. For this panel, the goal is to balance the luminance between 0.5 and 1.5 foot lamberts. Looking at this panel, which goes up to just several foot lamberts maximum, the speed of the imaging photometer is up to 10 frames per second, which is quite fast. Operators can also zoom in to inspect details. The P230U can reach speeds of up to 30 Hz of luminance information when zoomed in. To simulate the paint and balancing process, I'm going to reduce the voltage to the panel. The luminance is going to drop with the voltage, and within the border area, it's pretty close to where we want to be. Once satisfied with the balancing in the bordered area, we can stop the balancing mode by selecting the Measure button to take a high accuracy measurement. Users can now analyze the panel by selecting the spot meter tool and dropping measurement locations within the border. The mean luminance for each spot is displayed in the table on the left. For more detailed analysis, press F10 and the measurement is shown in the full Photometrica software. Pressing F10 again returns to the balancing application. Before saving or creating a report, the user can enter panel-specific details including customer, operator, part number, serial number, and comments. Select Preview Report to see a concise summary of the panel measurements. The report can be used to share information upstream or downstream in the production process. As the report can be fully customized, you can easily include as much information as you need. Lastly, all the measurements can be saved. When everything is done, clear the workspace and start on the next panel. In summary, Westboro Photonics provides two critical things to help make light plate balancing easy: the P230U hardware and the application software. The balancing process can be up to 3 times faster using our system as compared to no imaging system at all. Operators will appreciate the simplified workflow. Supervisors will appreciate the ease of installation, training, and management. If you're using a 2.3 megapixel imaging photometer, there's more than enough resolution for the balancing applications. If, however, there was also a requirement to do final inspection of graphics, like the image on the right, then higher resolution would make a lot of sense. Westboro has also 5 and 12.3 megapixel resolution photometers available. These instruments are supported by the balancing software as well. If your application requires color measurements, Westboro Photonics offers that solution too. We offer instruments up to 12 megapixels, and from ultimate accuracy, we have a system with an integrated spot spectroradiometer. Thank you for watching our presentation. If you'd like more information or would like a demonstration, please contact us at wphotonics.com.